Hello and welcome. Ever wondered how the apps work you use every day, or how websites, games, or even AI systems are built? The answer is simple programming. And in today's video, you are going to start learning one of the most powerful and beginner friendly programming languages, Python. Welcome to Python programming. Your journey starts here. In this series, we will take you from a complete beginner to an advanced Python developer. Whether you want to build websites, create AI, or automate tasks, this course will give you the skills to make your ideas come to life. Let's dive in. What is programming? Programming is the process of giving a computer a set of instructions to perform specific tasks. Think of it like giving a recipe to a chef. You provided the chef with clear steps to follow, and the chef creates a dish accordingly. Similarly, when you program a computer, you give instructions and it executes them to produce a result. Purpose of programming. The main goal of programming is to solve problems, create useful software, or automate repetitive tasks. You write these instructions in a language the computer understands. Once written, these instructions guide the computer to perform the task correctly, whether it's solving a problem or performing a complex calculation. What is computer programming? Computer programming is a specific type of programming whether we write instructions for a computer to execute. These instructions are written in programming languages such as Python, Java, or C++. Each language has its own syntax or set of rules that tells the computer what to do. The instructions are then processed by the computer to carry out tasks and solve problems. Remember, computer only knows the zeros and ones. You know why? Because the computer is an electronic device, and in electronics there is only positive or negative, or on or off. So in computer circuits, either there is a positive pulse or negative pulse, and these positive and negative pulses are represented by zeros and ones in computer system. Computer languages does not know anything other than zeros and ones. So to tackle this zeros and ones phenomena, computer uses combinations of zeros and ones. So what is the purpose of computer programming? Computer programming is used to create software, mobile apps, websites, and even automate everyday tasks. Essentially, computer programming takes human ideas and converts them into a language the computer can understand. This allows us to design systems that make our lives easier, more efficient, and more connected. In short, programming is about giving a computer a set of instructions to perform a specific task. Computer programming in particular involves writing these instructions in a programming language like Python or Java. The ultimate goal is to create software that solves problems, automates tasks, or makes things more efficient. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave them in the comment section. We would love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more lessons as we dive deeper into the world of programming.